Hey guys, it's X here with another product review. Today we're going to be talking about the KYU-6 RGB light. It's an accent light for videographers and photographers that has a few tricks up its sleeve. Let's check it out. Once I got the box, I knew this was a quality product. It's really nicely packaged and it's a minimalist design, but it gets to the point right away. To open the box, it's as simple as cutting out this bottom tab and sliding it out. In the package, you'll notice that it's really nicely secured, and right on top is your light. Digging below the light, you'll notice that there's some other goodies beneath it. Some of these include some mounting magnets that you can tape anywhere so you can magnetically attach your light, the charging cable, and finally, you just got your manuals. Overall, the quality of the KYU-6 RGB light has really impressed me. It's all rubber coated, so it's splash proof, including the USB port, which has a removable cover. The buttons are really nice and tactile, so you know when you're clicking things. And I've been bending it for the past day now, and I haven't noticed any quirks with it at all. LED lights on this feel really nice and sturdy too, and as I keep bending them, I don't think they're going to be breaking anytime soon, so this is definitely good for rugged applications. According to Spiffy's manual, the battery life on this thing will either last 4 hours on the lowest setting or 1 hour on the highest setting, and it charges via mini USB. From my testing throughout the day, I have noticed that it takes about an hour for a full charge, and I have noticed that the battery life does seem to be indicative of 4 hours on the lowest and 1 hour on the highest. I will also mention that you can run it off just a power bank or another USB power source. I have done that and just kept it on, and it works fine just like that too. Where the KYU-6 RGB light really shines is in the mounting options. Not only is the back fully magnetic, it comes with these little stick-on magnets that you can also stick onto anything, and on top of that you can just slap it onto your wrist or any object really, in the aspect that honestly you can almost slap it onto anything. And you have one other option, and that's just hanging it off this little silicone band that they give you. If you're asking yourself why would you want this type of light to begin with, well, there's a ton of reasons why. If you're into videography, photography, cinematography, all those types of things, it's a really good light to just carry around with you on the go as a nice aesthetic lighting, bias lighting, other things like that. If you make product reviews like me or other things like that, you can also just roll it up and place it under a product, and you got some nice RGB underlighting. You can use it to shine lights from a side to give it some nice shadows and casting on top of other things. Overall, I mean, it's just a fun thing to have. I mean, you can use it as a bracelet, you can throw it on anything. You don't even have to be a professional photographer or anything like that to have a use for this. I've seen a ton of people throw these on a ton of things like lighting bars, tripods, cabinets, and many other things. So honestly, your imagination's your only limitation at this point. The KYU-6 has very simple but effective button controls. To turn it on, you just hold the power button, and to adjust the brightness levels, you just tap it. There's 12%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. To change the basic colors, there's a middle button, which goes through red, green, and blue. You can also change the hues of the red, green, and blue colors by going to the top button and going through those. The manual also includes everything you need to know about what colors you can choose and how to shift through them correctly. The KYU-6 also has 5 different RGB effects. You can access them by holding the top button down, and then you can cycle through them by just tapping it. The effects are as follows. You have breathing, and then police, and then you have fire, TV, and finally you have fireworks. All of these effects are super memorable and easy to get to, which is a +1 to them. Obviously, by my clothes change, you can tell that I'm recording this on a different day, but the KYU-6 is honestly really worth it. I found a lot of use out of it, and if you're a YouTuber, a videographer, a photographer, anything like that, I think you'll find a lot of use out of it too. It's a really great light, super portable, versatile, and it's only $45. I've been able to use it in a ton of videos already for TikTok and stuff like that. And also, I think I'm going to be able to find a lot more use out of it in my future YouTube product reviews. So if you're looking for a super portable, lightweight RGB light that you can carry anywhere and it's waterproof, all these types of features, then definitely get this. It's one of the best in the market right now, and I honestly don't even think there's anything like it. This was definitely a shorter side for a review, but I think it's a lot up to the user's imagination to how they put this item to use. If you're a photographer or videographer, you're definitely going to find a use for it, that's for sure. If you like this review, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give the video a like. And if you haven't already, join my Discord, the link's in the bio, or you can find a link right here for a moment. Thanks for watching the video, and see ya.